Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to record and send video mail. It's pretty simple, but I'll walk you through some of the more advanced features, and you should be able to just figure this out on your own. And that said, we'll give you a quick tour. First thing you want to do is choose a template based on what you want to send. That'll just set the tone of this background. Currently, these clouds are set to my default. However, if I click that and remove it, it's going to stop being my default template, and whatever I last used will become my default template. So if I send out a Christmas card, then next time I go to send a video mail, that same Christmas card background will be my default. Nonetheless, I'm going to go here and let's invite somebody out. Let's use this for sales. I think video mail is especially powerful as a closing tool. I'll go here to request, click the go button, page is going to load, and I like this one. It's classy, it's elegant. I just click it, and it's going to load in. It's also going to move this. Next, I need to grant permission to the webcam. I'm going to click that close button. Hi there, I'm Roger V for the Max Lead Pro team. And it's going to start using my webcam, turn that on. And as soon as I'm ready to start recording, I'm just going to click this record button right here. I'd like to invite you to a very special webinar about how video mail can help you close more business. It's going to then. I'd like to invite you to a very special webinar about how video mail can help you close more business. Now it's going to play back your video there. I think what I need to do is re-record it. So in this case, I'm going to re-record it, and I'm going to have my finger on the stop button right here, so that the moment I stop, I don't have to look back up at the camera. So I just want to re-record it, and when I do so, this video will get dumped. Hi there, I'm Roger V, and I'd like to invite you to a very special webinar on how I can show you how video mail can help you attract more clients and close at greater percentages than ever before. Now in this case, I've chosen to record a video. However, if I wanted to, I could also load from the library. I could save this to the existing library, but still record more videos. I could upload from my local drive. In here I also have the settings, such as which microphone to use. But I'm happy with all of this, and I just want to send it out. So the next thing I need to do is go over here and choose a recipient. I want to CC myself, so I'm just going to click this box. And in this case, I also want to send out to a group. In this case, let's say, for example, real estate investors. So this is under contacts, groups, if you need to define your groups, and those are the people that you market to. So I'm going to choose real estate investors. I can then close that. Template I'm happy with. If I wanted to upload my own, I could do that here. Now, the background that we recommend, we will add that to right here once you see this video. But it should be ideally 695 by 545. 695 pixels wide by 545 high. So if you have a graphic designer, or you know some Photoshop, or you have some online tools such as Pixlr.com, you can choose your own photo, make your own background, or have our team make a custom one for you if you choose. I could also go to my library. In here you have advanced message settings. This is where you can choose to a widescreen webcam, for example. If you choose to, you can also choose from multiple accounts for the sender. This is your opportunity to use plain text instead of HTML, and you can also add SMS if you have a group, for example, that contains SMSs and you just want to send the SMS out. In this case, I want to send out simply email. I could also put a phone number in here, right? And I can do that just by clicking here. Put in my own phone. And if I wanted to, in the message below here, I can put in some variables, such as first name. So I'm going to put in as the email, invitation for first name. As you can see there, it's going to now say invitation for Bruce or Bob, based on whoever's in the contact record details. Since I have a phone number entered here, you'll see the SMS area has appeared, and this is the message body. I can also use variables here if I choose, just like that. I can style this if I want, and I can also include a link. And all I have to do to make a link is highlight the text, find the link icon up here. It's going to pop that up. I'm going to pull out the HTTP. Actually, it did it for me. Just click OK, and you'll notice that it has the pop-up has disappeared, and this is now clickable. You can change your signature here if you choose to, and in this case I'm just going to hit send email. That's it. I now have the message has been queued to send, and in the next 5 minutes it will go out from our server. That depends on how busy the server is at the time as to how quick it goes out, but it's always within a few minutes. So first, here's the SMS that I have received. I'm using Google Voice, so my texts show up on my computer. Here's the actual email that somebody's going to receive. Now here's the actual message, but notice it says invitation for first name. That's because I sent this to myself. So I am CC'd, and so the end recipient would actually see their name there as defined in the database. So here's what the actual message looks like, and I can just click that to play it. Hi there, I'm Roger V, and I'd like to invite you to a very special webinar. If I wanted to reply by video mail, I could certainly do that by clicking here, choosing which player to use, and hit continue. And it's going to simply allow me to record a video, so I can just hit record. This is a reply, and this will actually go back to the original sender. And I could also enter some text down here. I'm going to hit send now. That's going to come back to me. I also have options here to reply by video mail, forward this message, replay the message, reply, or share it socially. So this is especially useful for things like webinars where you want to get the message out from a marketing perspective. And in the immediate future, very near future, we're going to allow granular control over whether these appear. So for example, if you send out to a large list, you may not want to allow replies. And we realize that, and so that's an upcoming near-term feature, and it may be online by the time you're seeing this video. There you have it. Enjoy.